Hi everyone, Miss Daisy here. So if you haven't watched the previous video that I made, drawing the eyebrow, you can look for that in one of my videos, or I will just drop the link below or in the description box. So this is actually the second part of the video I made, we're drawing the eyebrow, and this is like the completion part of it. So you can see I started cleaning with her face, then I'm putting the foundation now. Then I have to blend it in a little bit. Though I used the brush anyways, but I was very careful and patting it on her skin. You can see that I'm not rubbing it, right? Like I'm just patting it on her skin gently. So here I'm trying to actually blend the foundation with the rest of the face. So, and as we can see that I did the eyebrow before now, right? So with the old eyeliner, the concealer rather. So I'm trying to blend everything all together, and before I start putting the other product on her face. Here I'm putting the concealer. And also putting it on the bridge of her nose and a little bit on the shiny part of the forehead and above her lips. And also I'm going to add it also to the chin, just to give it that bright look. When the light is shining on your face, those places that the light shine on is where I have to put the concealer. So I use the beauty blender to actually blend in the concealer on her face. I continue to contour her face here. And I also continue with the, I did the foreside and the other side, or the left side and the right side, and also trying to contour the bridge of her nose on those two sides there. Then I also apply that contour to the edge, like between her hairline and her face as well. So I'm blending in the contour. I also added the concealer to the bridge of her nose just to make it more obvious. You can see the way I'm blending that in, and right here I'm going with the setting powder under her eyes, and I'll leave it there because I know she has oily skin, so I'll just leave it there for a little bit. I'm trying to blend all of them in, you know, the setting powder and all. So I put the bronzer on her cheekbone on both sides, and I try to blend it in with another set of brush. And I'm putting a like something glittery over a nose bridge, over the lips, you know, and a little bit on the forehead. And I just continue tapping that on there. Now is the lips, which is one of my favorite part of makeup. So after this, we put it on the hair, and I started taking care of the hair, or trying to make sure everything looks good by using the fine tooth comb to comb it at first, and I realized it was a little bit tangled, so I sprayed it with some hairspray. Afterwards, we combed it with a big tooth comb again, and it became easier to comb it. And afterwards, I went in with the smaller fine tooth comb. So I want to say thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your time and for the love and support. And I want to say thank you to my friend as well that came all the way. You know, like I said in the previous video, she came all the way from Texas. It's her birthday, and you know, we really had a nice time, and it was good. We'll miss you, and thank you for your support always. You are truly a good friend. Thank you for everything. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you for your time. And afterwards, actually, after the whole makeup thing, she loved it, and she was doing a lot of dance. And, you know, she was dancing for like 5 minutes afterwards. Even when I told her the video was done, she was still dancing, and you can see some of them in this video. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Yeah, bye.